Hello everyone on YouTube, Spark here, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can change your default character model to any model of your choice as soon as you spawn in game. So there's two ways to do this, and there's a tiny bit of setup we're gonna need to do. So let's get right into it. Okay, so first off, you're of course gonna need the model which you want to replace your default character model. So here I'm using an R15 model. So the first thing you need to make sure is that this model has a humanoid inside it, and the rig type is set to however many parts your model has. So R16s have 16 different parts, as you can see. You're gonna want to make sure all of these parts are welded together first of all, as you can see. Left ankle, left hand, and so on. So I can teach you how to weld in this video, but there's lots of tutorials on how you can weld parts with each other on YouTube. So the next thing is these rig attachments which you're gonna need. Your model will not be properly animated if you don't have these in every single part, as well as these vector 3 values. So if your model does not have these, what you're gonna wanna do is go in avatar, go in rig builder, and you need to generate a new rig. So I'm using R15 here. I'm gonna create an R15 masculine block avatar. So here I have it. So if I click on this, I go in left lower leg, it already has the original size, the weld, the wrap target, as well as the different rig attachments. So you're gonna wanna copy all of these. So I'm copying these from left lower leg and paste them in the left lower leg of your own model. So you're gonna do this for each of these parts. Just copy the attachments from the new rig and paste them into this one. So once you do that, you're done basically. First, I'm gonna show you the easy method of doing this. First, you're gonna wanna go in players and make sure character auto loads is on. Once that's on, you need to copy that model, paste it in here, and you need to name it starter character exactly how I just did it. Now you will see that will replace the model. As you can see, it did not load my default avatar, it loaded the new model. So that's the easiest way of doing this. Now I'm going to show you the other way, which is going to require a tiny bit of coding. So for this method, first we're going to select the new model, remove it from starter player and place it in replicated storage. I'm going to name this new model for now. Okay, so now we're going to create a server script and place it in server script service. Now here I'm going to set up a few variables which I will be needing later on. So now in this script we will first of all create a function. So the player is whoever joined the game, whoever is playing the game, this is them, and here we will pass the new model which is in replicated storage. So first off we will clone the new model. We will set the name of the new model to the player name. Now we will get the default or old model. We will get its position. Now we will set the player's character to the new model. Next we will destroy the default model, add the new model to workspace. So there we go. Make sure you write all these lines in the proper order. I ran into a few problems the first time I did this, and it was all because I mixed it up a bit. So now we just need to call this function whenever the player joins the game. So we need to make it run as soon as the player joins. This event comes with a built-in parameter that's player, so it will automatically give us the player. So we just need to send it to this function. And next we need to give the directory of the model which we want to replace the default model. Now let's see if this works. Okay, so as you can see, the model loaded, but there is one problem. It's not running any animations at all. This is because it's lacking an animate script. You're gonna need that in your model if you want it to run animations. So I'm gonna show you how to add that. First off, disable this script. Now go in test mode. Now once your default character has spawned in, go in workspace, find your character model, and here you will see the animate script. Left click and copy this script. Now go to your model and paste the script in here. Now I will show you that our model will run the animations. As you can see, it's running the animations now. Ignore these errors, these are from another old script of mine. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned something. Make sure to like and subscribe and leave your ideas in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.